This routine can either stand alone as a way to add some movement and stretching into your day. It's great for first thing in the morning or right before bed. And it can also be added at the end of a workout to stretch out, add some flexibility. I'm Sandra. Thanks for joining me here. Let's get started with the moves. Standing nice and tall, belly pulled in, chest lifted. Our feet are a little wider than hip width. Palms facing forward, cross midline, push away, heel lifts, back to center, other side. One more each way. Back to center, arms out to a T. Bend both elbows as one arm comes overhead, one scoops lower, side bend. Come back to center, arms to T, other way. Inhale, exhale. Two more. Let the arms float down, roll the shoulders up, back and down. Two more times. Bring the feet a little bit wider, point toes out. For this next one, you can either keep your legs straight or we'll come up and down into a plie squat. Start by inhaling, arms to the ceiling. Exhale to scoop arms in front as the knees track out to the toes, and inhale, straighten legs. And exhale, follow your breath. Let's do one more. Stand up tall. We're going to make our way down to the mat. Coming to hands and knees or quadruped, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. One arm reaches out to the side, revolve, reach up to the ceiling, and then scoop under. And repeat. And next time we'll come all the way down onto our shoulder and the side of our head and hold. Lifting back up. Other side, arm out to the side, revolve up to the ceiling, and scoop under. Keep going. And come right down onto your shoulder and the side of your head. Lifting back up. Extend one leg out behind you, land on toes. Push your heel away. Slide your toes across midline. Keeping the legs crossed, lower your knee. And let your hips move back towards your heels as you come down onto forearms. Let your head droop forward and just pause here and breathe. And take your time to lift back up to hands and knees. Other side, other leg out behind you, land on toes, push away. Slide toes across center. And keeping legs crossed, bring your knee down. Let the hips move back, come down onto forearms, head drops forward. And take your time to come back up. We're going to make our way down onto our back. Any way that you want to roll down onto your back. You could just start with your hands on your belly to take some full breaths. And pull both knees in towards the chest, one hand on each knee. Circle your knees, both knees going in the same direction. Use your hands to guide. And go the other way. Pause at center. Let your feet come down. Have another big breath. And we're going to again bring the knees towards the chest, one hand on each knee. This time we're going to cross right ankle over top of the left ankle, and then gently bring your knees closer towards your shoulders, towards the chest, and out towards the shoulders. And keep the ankles crossed as you slowly, with control, lower the feet to the mat. And then you can bring the arms out to a T with palms facing up. Your left foot will be a little bit closer, your right foot a little farther away, and then just let the knees fall out to the side and breathe. Start to lift your knees. Bring them back towards your chest, one hand on each knee. This time we'll cross left ankle on top of right, and then bring the knees a little closer towards the chest and then out towards the shoulders. Slowly lower. Right foot is closer, left foot a little farther away. Let the knees fall out to the side. You can bring your arms back out to a T. Palms facing up. Just let everything sink to the mat and the floor. And start to lift your knees. Back to center, feet on the mat. Rolling over onto one side, we'll make our way to seated. Feel free to grab a cushion. Come to a comfortable seated position. You could sit cross-legged or another way if that's more comfortable. We'll do a seated twist following our breath, inhaling at center, exhaling to twist, and let the arms come down wherever they land. Inhale, twist, and exhale. Inhale, center, twist the other way. Follow your breath. And then we can hold. The next time you're twisted to one side, just hold here for 3 or 4 breaths. Continue to sit tall, maybe twisting a little more from the waist, the chest, the shoulder, the head. And back to center and twist the other way. Holding here. And come to center. Let the arms come down. We'll roll the shoulders again 3 times, rolling up, back, and down. 2 more, nice and slow. Keep those shoulders relaxed down, turning the head slowly side to side. One more each way. And center. We're going to finish with 3 big breaths. Comment and let me know after the video how you're feeling at the end. Fingertips down, inhale up. Exhale down, and 2 more. Don't forget to give me a like. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a wonderful day.